fucking tripod. This lens is heavy. No, not my fruit snack. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with another bop or flop review, and today's review is going to be on the Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm. So Soul Body is a sister brand of ColourPop. ColourPop's other sister brand is Fourth Ray Beauty. I use a lot of Fourth Ray Beauty skincare products, and I have a lot of ColourPop products because a lot of the products are really, really good. Our good sis ColourPop always keeps it coming with their launches, and I don't care what anybody says. If a brand is working that hard to put out 2 to 3 launches every couple of months or every month, I ain't mad at it. That's good business. Like dead ass. Is a cream balm bronzer that enhances your natural skin tone with a radiant touch of color and effortlessly blends to a velvety, smooth, soft focus finish and leaves skin instantly sun-kissed. So how you use it is you apply on clean, moisturized skin, swirl the rounded kabuki brush directly into the pot, pick up desired amount, gently buff onto the skin to blur and build to desired coverage. Can be applied to arms, décolletage, and legs, or over a fresh face or makeup. So, okay. They are $15 a piece. They come in the shades fair, light, medium, medium dark, dark, deep, and deep dark. Excuse me. There's also a kabuki brush that you can buy to go with this. I have the kabuki brush. I believe it's the same one for the body glows, the shimmering dry oils. I have 2 shimmering dry oils, and I have the kabuki brush for that. It costs $12, and if you want to get the balm and the brush together, that is $20. So I'm gonna include somewhere around here some pictures of some swatches, and I chose the shade Deep, and I might have played myself because I might have bought the wrong shade. This might be too dark. So currently I have my full face on. If you saw the bop or flop review before this one, then you would have seen my Rare Beauty foundation review. I'm wearing the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty foundation today. I'm in the shade 430W, and baby, you see this like face to chest match? This shade is like the perfect shade, and I'm so happy about it, and it looks so beautiful on the skin. Like this face, yes. So like I said, I bought the shade Deep in the Soul Face and Body Bronzing Balm. Now when I saw this, I initially didn't really care. I didn't really want it, but I am in the market for new bronzers because I'm running out. I've hit pan on my ColourPop bronzer, and I can't remember the name of it. I think it's in either Afternoon Delight or Rodeo Drive, but they discontinued those shades of the bronze, which actually maybe not enough people bought it, and they were like, well, what's the point of supplying it if there's no demand? I'm like, you know what, I gotta find some bronzers because at some point in time I'm gonna like be done, like that bronzer is gonna be finished. So the balm comes in a round jar like this. All of Soul Body's products so far have been only for the body. They've got a lotion, they've got a body scrub, they've got the shimmering dry oils, which are actually super pretty. I have 2 of them. So this is the first product I've seen them come out with where it's face and body. They also have tanning products, but that's not really marketed for me. But I just thought this was really neat. I don't need a body bronzer, but I like the idea of a cream bronzer, and I've been wanting to buy one for a little while, so I was like, hey, why not? And for $15, you can't really beat that price, and you can use a code because there are people out there with coupon codes for ColourPop, and of course, because it's a sister brand of ColourPop and they sell it on the ColourPop website, you can buy it from there and you can use a code. The bronzer looks like you get how many? You get 31 grams, which is 1.1 ounce. You get 1.1 ounce of product for $15, and then of course 10% off with a coupon. That's actually a really good steal. So like I said, I got the shade Deep, and might have played myself, but we will see. So without further ado, I'm gonna grab a brush and I'm going to zoom you guys in, and I'm going to apply the bronzer, and we'll see how well it works. I'm gonna take my, what is this, I think this is just a pure buffing brush. another brush I picked up from TJ Maxx. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx, man. And I'm just gonna dip it right into the product kind of lightly. Okay, that really didn't pick up anything, so I gotta put some oomph. Okay, that picked up a little more. Let me just try that on my hand. That's what it looks like on my hand. Okay, maybe I did pick up the wrong shade. We'll see. Maybe I didn't play myself. All right, so all I have on is foundation, and my under eyes are done. I've already set them, but I haven't set the rest of my face because I wanted for this to go on pre-powder, and then I'll go over everything with my powder and finish my face. It says to lightly buff. This also smells like coconuts. Ooh, I like that. I like that smell. I want you to bet. See, listen, that's why I can't see from that angle. Okay, well, this looks like a pretty nice shade. So I'm gonna take my sponge and see if I can blend this in. This is pretty nice. I just like snatched in. I just really snatched one side of my face. Okay. Let's try and contour the nose with it. It blends so softly. It has a really soft blend. Like it just kind of really subtly like blends in. Yeah, it blends out really softly. I like that. I like that it blends so smooth and it just buffs out. Okay. All right, I'm gonna finish up my face, and so face is done. I just threw on some lashes and gloss and some little jewels in the corner of my eyes, which are actually really subtle but very cute. I actually like this a lot. For lashes, I'm wearing Lily lashes in the style Havana, and for gloss, I'm wearing a combo of the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Limitless Brown, and also the new Maybelline Filter Gloss in the shade Amber, 007 Amber. And of course, I can't, no lip is for me is complete without So Juicy, Colourpop So Juicy Gloss in the shade Beachwood. It's one of my favorite glosses. It's the first time I'm trying the Maybelline gloss, and she's cute. I like a lot. So yeah, this is it. This is the bronzer. I definitely think that the formula is really nice. It blends down super smooth. It just like blurs out into like this really nice, light, natural looking coverage, which is great because I thought that this was gonna be too dark when I looked at it on my hand, and then when I looked at it in the pan. On my face, it just really like just diffused this really soft, just contour bronze kind of deal, and I like it a lot. I loved it for my nose. It actually did a really good job on my nose. It blended out so softly and just gave me like the perfect amount of just color to keep the structure that I was creating to snatch my nose. And I think it came out really nice. I like this. I like this a lot. And for $15, it's pretty cheap and you get a lot of product. I don't think you're gonna be able to go through this. It doesn't have like an expiration date on here. Usually these things are good until like 12 months after you've opened it. So definitely if you're someone using this for face and body, you'll get through this quick. I will say if you are going to use it for the face, I think you should just stick to using it to the face. And if you're going to use it for your body, then stick to using it for your body. I don't really think, because of the way you have to dip into the product with a brush, I don't think it would be the best sanitary wise to go back and forth, unless what you're doing is you're taking a spatula and scooping out the amount you want, putting it on a mixing plate, and then applying it from there. Which if you're doing that, then by all means use it for face and body. I was a little skeptical when I saw the swatches online in terms of what the shade range was, but I actually really liked that they created this in a wide range. I actually like that a lot. I thought it was nice. So deep fit me as a bronzer, and then there's still, so there's dark, deep, and then deep dark. But I like it. It's a bop for me. I think if I wanted more like oomph, I wanted for it to be really more like really stand out, I think what I will do is add a bronzer on top after I add my face powder, because I do have to put this on when my foundation is still wet and it's not dried down or set with a powder. So I would suggest going over it again with another bronzer of your choice, because this would act like a really good base to boost that bronzer. Or if you're someone who bronzes and contours, because there is a difference, if you want to bronze with this first when your foundation isn't set and then go over and contour afterwards, I think that would be a really good idea as well. But I like this a lot. I think it's really nice. Like I said, this on the nose, beautiful. This blended out so nicely and so softly. I'm surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised. I really didn't expect that this shade was gonna work. I was really afraid that I had bought a shade too dark, and then I was like, maybe this is too light. It's a big back and forth. Trying to buy these things online is always complicated. I really wish that they put like all the ColourPop items in the Ulta stores, because that would be really helpful for when you want to shop and you don't know if something's gonna work for you shade wise. But then again, of course, Ms. Rona came through and you can't even swatch things in the store now anyway. You'd be able to buy it and try it and then return it, but I know there are people out there who don't like to return things and they'd rather just keep it, and I'm like, run me my money that I spent unnecessarily back, please. So yeah, it's a bop for me. I really like it a lot. I think it came out really cute, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, your girl is uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday at 7 p EST and Saturday at 3:30 p EST. Hopefully this video goes up on Wednesday at 7 p EST, because YouTube and Comcast and Xfinity been playing with your girl, and I'm tired of it. I'm tired of the internet cutting out, and I'm tired of YouTube taking 1,000,001 years to upload my video. I would like to be on time. But then make sure to click the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. Check the description box. There'll be links to the products I used in today's video, as well as links to my social media. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, as well as you can find me on Facebook at xoxo always Nida. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.